Hello everyone, we are here today at Airdrie Dodge Jeep, home of the $10,000 giveaway. What does that mean? Well, with any vehicle purchase, you'll be entered into a monthly draw that month for your chance to win $10,000. Now back to the star of the show, we have this gorgeous 2017 Ram 1500 Laramie Crew Cab 4x4. Under the hood, you're going to find the legendary 5.7 liter V8 HEMI engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. And as you can see, this gorgeous truck is equipped with a 4-inch lift kit, and you have those beautiful aftermarket rims and tires. It is shown in the gorgeous pearl white color, which pairs beautifully with all of the chrome, the front back bumpers, your rims, your side steps, window vent visors, the mirrors, the handles. It's a beautiful vehicle. It's only had one previous owner, has a clean CARFAX, and has been fully safetied and inspected. We're going to take you through it quickly, but if you have any additional questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Helping you in, you do get this remote from the factory with your unlock, lock, remote start. You have the signal light indicators there on the mirrors, which is a nice safety feature, a proximity key system. And as we head inside, you have a beautiful black interior. You have that chrome accenting again throughout, power mirrors, windows, and locks, and your mirrors also power fold in, which is a nice convenience. Your driver's seat is fully adjustable with lumbar support. You also have memory seats, 2 different settings. These are heated and cooled, so you're going to be comfortable year-round. Your steering wheel is also leather-wrapped in heated cruise control and shifting options on your right. On your left, Bluetooth and hands-free, dash selection buttons, and behind my fingers there, you do have audio-mounted controls, allowing you to change the station source and volume. Fully automatic headlights to the left. You have your tilt option and power extending pedals, so you're going to be able to find the perfect position for you. 117,042 kilometers on this unit currently. You also have a large menu of information you can scroll through. Take a second to check that out with your sales advisor. Moving on over, along with that proximity key system, you have your push button start, your dial shifting knob with your 4x4 options. And up top, you have an upgraded ALPINE sound system, beautiful texturing, you have that Ram detailing, added stitching, all leading to beautiful styling, AM, FM, and satellite capability in your Uconnect system, USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth options for your media, 2 different settings for your heated seats, your ventilated seats for both your driver and passenger. You do have the option to access your backup camera through there. It does come on automatically in reverse. You have a full app screen giving you easy access to the technology, dual zone climate control, navigation, and a screen dedicated specifically to help you pair your phone. So it's a very user-friendly system. As we move on down here, you have the manual buttons for your climate and media, trailer brake control, tow haul traction control, your parking sensors, and then your heated and cooled seat buttons. You have an AC outlet to the right, 12-volt outlet in the middle, and then into your center console you have a shallow space here with your media ports and a deeper space down below. We'll give you a quick pan through on the passenger side. Everything's in great condition throughout here. Lots of legroom, glove compartment down below. Up above, you do have additional space with that Laramie badging, illuminated vanity mirrors, garage door transmitters, your rear sliding window, and your beautiful sunroof. As we head into the back, that beautiful styling has continued back here. Again, side steps helping you in. It's a very windy day. We'll just tame this cardboard. Bins beneath the feet. You have a 60-40 split back here. Nice carpeted runner, keeping everything in good condition. This does pop down to give you an armrest and 2 cup holders. You actually have heated seats back here as well as a 12-volt outlet. So underneath here you do have storage and this panel that comes out and secures so you can get a nice flat traveling surface. On that side you have the panel as well, however underneath it you have the upgraded equipment for your sound system. And as we head into the back, you do have a tonneau cover, as you can see, and we'll just give you a shot of that rear sliding window. It's illuminated back here, and you have the tie-down areas in the 4 corners. You do have a bed liner as well for added durability. So overall, as you can see, this is a gorgeous truck. If you have any questions or, again, want to get it on the road to experience it for yourself, we'd love to give you a hand with that. Our information is at the end of this video. We'd like to thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.